Guys, welcome to another tech review from CarAndTech, and I will show you step-by-step instructions how to connect the smartwatch to the Fit Cloud Pro app. If we have any issues connecting, or if the messages are not getting displayed on your phone, and there are some settings actually inside the watch which I will show you. You have to go to settings. You can go to system. Okay, go to system, and there's an option called reset. See, if you reset, it will delete all the personal data to the default settings. That is, all the settings will be turned to the default setting. So if you press the stick button, the watch will be reset and it will be turned as a new watch. This is a Fit Cloud Pro app. You have to download it, and let me install it first. And you need to log in also. Let me create an email and a password. One more thing is, I would suggest you go to the app info, and the permissions, right? That is which is very important. See, there is something called auto start. See, or you should always keep that auto start, because if you only keep that auto start, if something happens to the app, if it closes down, the app will automatically start. So that is one important thing you have to do. Otherwise, you might get disconnected from the watch if you have any. See, right now it got disconnected because I just changed the settings, so that is why it got disconnected. But I don't have any issues with right now with the watch. It doesn't get disconnected at all. So in that area, it is very perfect. Then other permissions is like, as we don't have Wi-Fi in this watch, we don't have to set that. Then we have this change Bluetooth connectivity, so that should be always in tick. Otherwise, what happens is it won't get connected and it will get disconnected. Then show on lock screen, I don't want that. Display pop-up windows while running in the background, that is also we don't need. So it is, just leave it as it is. Then service SMS is there. Actually, the top one, this one, you should read the service SMS. Otherwise, you should always allow. Otherwise, you won't get the SMS in the watch. Other thing is, this is an MUI interface. That is why it shows a battery saver. So I would suggest you put it as default so that it doesn't affect the watch. And the next is full screen mode and all. I don't want that. We don't need it. And you have a clear defaults options where it will default everything, right? That is actually in that. So you should always give all the permissions. Otherwise, you will get problems with connecting with the watch, right? So that is how the watch is being set up. I've registered in the app, so it is trying to bind the device. So let me switch on the Bluetooth. Yeah, the Bluetooth is on. Let me connect the device. So this is how it gets connected. So you have to allow some settings so that guys, this is an app basically. So I haven't done any steps today. I just woke up and I'm making this video. So here you can see the distance, so this week I've done 2098 steps, 1.7 kilometer. Basically, I don't use this watch much. I'm just using it for review purposes. And again, if you want to see, you can also see your blood pressure here, right? And the highest is average and the lowest. And you can also see the blood oxygen levels. You can go to the device settings, that is in the middle. You can see the icon device. If you click there, that is where all the things are kept. So if you want to get the push notifications, you have to if you want, you can enable all reminder, or you can individually select or toggle whatever you want. So I've just individually selected only a little bit of apps which I need the notification. Otherwise, it will be disturbing for you when you work and all. So currently, I've just put a little bit of apps, so you can get all the reminders in your watch. And the next one is like dial library. When you come to dial library, you can see lots of watch faces inside. I mean, lots. You can even get compatible iPhone like faces also. I'll show you. This is a iPhone like face. So this is an iPhone like face. If you want to sync, you can sync it to the watch. See, I'm syncing it right now. So it is actually, you can see it is synchronizing. So while the wallpaper is being downloaded, you can see in the watch how much time it takes. It takes very little time, less than 20 seconds or 25 seconds max to download the new wallpaper. So as you can see, I just downloaded the wallpaper, and right now it's already being displayed in the watch. So it is a very simple procedure, guys. So let me go to the watch faces. As you can see, these are the watch faces, right? There are actually more than 100, I think. I'm not even explored, but every day they are adding new watch faces. And these all have very good graphics also. That is the best part I like with Pebble, because they are like, unlike other companies, smartwatch manufacturers, they have lots and lots of wallpapers in their library. I think Firebolt and all has very less wallpapers, and they don't have the compatible Apple Watch faces also. So guys, before you play music, you should make sure that your watch is connected. You can see a white band over here. Normally if it is not connected, it will turn into red color. Okay, if you want to hear your calls in your watch, what you have to do is you have to click this icon, right? And when turned on, normal calls and music are available. So you should actually turn on the audio mode. So only if you turn on the audio mode, you can use the feature. So I'm going to right now play a music. So I'm going to play a song from Spotify, which is a copyright-free music. Let me see how we can hear it from the watch.
Enjoy the next 30 minutes of uninterrupted listening. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. Through the wastelands.
So guys, you can actually pause the song here, you see, and then you can even go to the next song. So that was a small demo of how you can play music on the watch, guys. So in that department, I'll give 10 out of 10 for the speaker clarity of the watch. It doesn't have much bass in that, but still it's a smartwatch, right? You cannot expect much bass from this watch, but the clarity is amazing, guys. I cannot just believe it is coming out from a watch. So it's just amazing sound from this watch. So if you want to hear music from this watch, I think this is one of the best smartwatches where you can play music. So guys, I have done also another video about the unboxing and overview of this watch, and I've also put a shorts video about how I got this the Apple Watch strap on this watch, which now looks really nice than the standard watch which they have provided. So if you like this video, do give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thanks a lot for watching.